All right, let's go on a quick test drive here. We got 35,729 miles on the odometer. This car was ceramic coated and had full-blown paint correction about a year and 2 months ago. Got the Air 80 on the front windshield and 70% tint on the side. Really, really nice. Smells great in here. Inside and out, this car is mint. It is in really, really good condition. Now, if you see any flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Steering wheel has that matte finish to it. You can notice right there, auto start stop kicked in. Now you do have a button down here. You can turn it off right there. So we will turn that off. Car shifts nice and smooth. Alignment is perfect. Steering wheel is nice and straight. No complaints with drivability so far. Everything is tip-top. Really, really nice car. The only thing I'm finding here is in this steering wheel, there's a piece of plastic maybe broke off in it, or something's loose, so kind of hear that. I don't know if it's this little trim piece here. It's a little loose, but you don't hear it so much there. Just right there. So I think a little piece of plastic might be broke off in there, or just this is just kind of clicking together. But I really didn't hear it while driving, just pulling into a parking spot. Got the beautiful navigation here. Awesome, awesome car. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. So this car had a full-blown paint correction and ceramic coated about a year and 2 months ago. So it looks really, really good. Here on that wheel, beautiful silver finish. A couple light scuffs, but overall in great condition. Got the Continentals. Date code 2022. See a couple small rock chips. This is that Mythos black. So you have all of that pearl in here. Looks amazing. It's in great condition. Mirror looks good. And there is your information for the ceramic coating. And it will also come with the paperwork. Upper section looks nice. Lower side looks good. Really light scuff there. Beautiful, beautiful paint. I mean, look at that sparkle in there. That wheel looks awesome. You have 70% ceramic window tint here on the sides, and then you have Air 80 on the front windshield. So it has that nice clear look, a little blue hue to it, but it will cut out a lot of that heat. Couple rock chips, a few light bug splatter spots. Upper section though, that looks really good. Headlights look amazing. When you get close, you're going to see typical impacts just from everyday driving. All very light, very minor stuff. Beautiful front end though. That wheel looks amazing. Got a little touch-up spot there. Fender looks nice. Side mirrors clean. So far, all of this looks really, really good. Look at that reflection. They did a great job on the paint correction and coating, and then maintenance, because that was a year ago, and it still looks really nice. very light scuffs here and there. It's very subtle though. Other than that, she looks amazing. All right, let's check out the interior. But before we do, they did add remote start to this car, and it has an extended range remote key fob. So that's really, really nice. There's your factory fob. It's one of one, so this is the only set you get. Here on the interior, it is a non-smoker, and it is just as beautiful as the outside of the car. They definitely took care of this. You have the lights on the ground there. Handle's nice and clean. All of this has a matte finish to it. Memory seating. I mean, look at that plastic. There's no scuffs on there. That bolster looks good. Very little wear on the edge here. Otherwise, that seat is pretty much perfect. Steering wheel still has a nice matte finish to it. Buttons look great. It is heated. Got the automatic headlights. Upper side of the dash looks beautiful. Heated seats. I mean, this thing is really, really nice. I don't think you're gonna find a cleaner one than this. Just has that nice fresh smell to it. Everything is really, really clean. Here in the trunk, that looks amazing, nice and clean. It smells fresh back here. Got your spare tire. All of that looks beautiful. Here on the passenger panel, absolutely perfect. Got the Audi lights there. That trim looks good. All-weather mats. Bolsters look amazing. Love the inserts here. They look super good. I mean, there's really not much to pick apart over here. Glove box looks amazing. Upper side of the dash is clean. Very well maintained here. It's always hard to see in the back seats of cars, but that looks brand new. There's really nothing that stands out to me as far as imperfections go. Okay, we're just gonna scan through the engine bay. All this plastic is in great condition. Cover looks good. Really, really nice. Underliner here. That looks perfect. Beautiful engine bay.